siyempre po, the Grand Alumni is for us to be happy, to enjoy each other, na lumakita, dahil yan na laing pala magsala. Hindi naman. Part of that, part of the party is dancing. Now, although, yung mga Miss CIT talaga, Miss CIT, alam po na, di ba, may Miss Alma Mater. Dalawa ang tinatawag natin na Miss CIT. We have the Miss Alma Mater and the Miss Intrams, right? Yung Miss Intrams during the intram nila, which is a contest. Yung Alma Mater, minsan it is selected. Siniselect. Or sometimes, may time noon, during nagtuturo pa ako, ginagawa nilang money contest. So, meron pong Miss CIT noon, what is a money contest? Ngayon, siniselect ko kasi dapat beauty and brain and everything. So, we will give them a proper honor, especially si Mang Beltran. Kasi siya yung first na
alumni.
Miss CIT. So, siguro po, during the JS prom, pwede ko silang tawagin na mag-corona. Okay? Yung po mga ganun lang na cases. But not all. Okay? Not all. Ngayon kung sino yung makatawag natin at kung sino yung active. Kasi baka mamaya sinusulat natin sa program, hindi naman makakauwi, hindi naman makakarating, o ayaw din ng kanyang husband, sabi na, iba po ba? So yun yung mga dapat natin i-correct. Now, so we have so many activities as given by Sir Nori, and which is wala naman po problema, masaya. Kaya lang, ang problema natin dito, on the execution. You know, it's really nice to plan, but the execution itself, kasi nga, as we have said, we have only 1 week of preparation. Now, you can do, gaya ng tinanong ko kanina, the Got Talent and, what's that, the fashion?
Fashion siya.
Fashion statement, ang sabi naman daw ay gabi, ay they can perform that one time.
Yeah.
So, isisingit natin yun. Kasi po, ang program po, ang gagawa ng program ay Sir Nes. So, hindi ko alam, hindi ko pwedeng pakialaman kung saan niya ilalagay itong mga program na to. All I can say is on my part, yung JS prom po, at saka yung what's that? Yung saan, yung last day, the main event for us is yung competition ng mga dances. So, ang gagawin ko na lang siguro dito, I will invite yung mga alumni natin na pwedeng mag-judge. And you can be there. Pwede po kayong pumunta manood. Pero hindi naman lahat pwedeng mag-judge. Baka mamaya 20 judges, hindi naman na magkakaproblema na tayo sa scores. Pero siguro, per batch yun lang po. And yun, yung mga, how about, yung mga batch na hindi active?
Yun!
May I see the list? Okay.
Kukunti lang nandito.
Oo. Kung active na,
millennials.
we only have here 1978, yung mga batch 1968. By the way po nga pala, maraming salamat sa mga batch 1968 kasi sila po ang nag-provide ng ating merienda. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating batch 68. Bongga, di ba? Jollibee. Sa susunod naman siguro McDo. Sino naman kaya?